Everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Venice AI application. So first of all, you need to install this app in your smartphone, then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface like this. So you can see ask anything. If you want to create your account, then simply tap your login and sign up. Then you can see here couple of options like Apple ID, Gmail account, Discord, or other things. So I'm just going to create an account with Google. So I already tapped my Gmail account to create account here. You can see it's loading now. So it's really easy to use. So you can see here, this is the interface, and you can see ask a question privately. I'm just going to ask you, hey. So it's processing, and you can see here you can see here couple of option: auto text, image, you can change it, and you can see here upgrade, default, and also here you can see you can take a photo and choose a file, and you can upgrade your, you can see this year 100 images requested per day. So it's really nice. Like if you really want to create your image, $150 you need to spend for 1 year, and you can create 1000 images per day. And also choose files, take a photo library, so you can upgrade it. So it's really easy and easy to use. You can try.